Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix your account is already registered into another phone in GCash. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your GCash app, and as soon as you do that and when trying to log in, this kind of notification should be popping up. Now to solve that, all you got to do is open up the GCash app on the register device, like the another device of yours, and then from over here go ahead tap on this option of profile icon given at the bottom right, and from over here you got to scroll down and tap on this option of settings at the bottom, and then from over here you're going to find this kind of interface. Go ahead tap on this option of account secure, and now you're going to find this kind of interface showing the current phone that you're connected to. Tap on this drop down icon given on the right side. Then you will find this notification, this interface which is shows unregistered phone. Simply tap on unregistered phone. Then again the reconfirmation gonna pop up as highlighted. Tap on this option of yes, unregistered. Now you simply gotta scan up your face for the identification. Tap on next afterwards. Then there you go, your particular device has been unregistered. Now you're gonna go back to another device where you would like to log in. Open a GCash, add in the number of yours, and then that device will register now and it won't have that problem. This is how you can solve it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.